Today's subject is pharmaceutics 2. Then we have to start the chapter 2. Means second chapter name is incompatibilities in prescription. This is the second chapter of syllabus. The name is incompatibilities in prescription. Then first we have to see what do you mean by the incompatibility. Incompatibilities means inability to coexisting with each other, means combination में आना, means these are the unable to coexistence with each other. It is called as incompatible. And second, we have to see the prescription is previous lecture. It is the written order by the registered medical practitioner and pharmacist should dispense against this prescription. Then we have to see in this chapter what is the problem occurs in prescription and what are their reasons of incompatibilities and their method of corrections. Then first we have to see the definition of incompatibility. It is defined as a result of mixing of two or more than two agents, यानी एक और एक से ज़्यादा, which is antagonistic in nature. Antagonistic means which is strongly against with each other. Antagonist against means it is strongly against with each other. Then what? The undesirable product is formed. Undesirable means which is unwanted in nature, unwanted or which cause problem. It is called as undesirable product. And which affect, the first is safety. Safety means it means the drug safe. Second is efficacy. Efficacy means ability of the drug to bring the result which is wanted. It is called as the efficacy. Efficacy यानी क्या? जो drug की action है वो क्या होना चाहिए? Which gives the results, and the drug should be 100% bioavailable to give the action. It is called as efficacy. And appearance of pharmaceutical preparation. यानी ये तीन चीजें अफेक्ट हो रही है हमें. फर्स्ट सेफ्टी ऑफ ड्रग, सेकेंड इज एफिकेसी एंड थर्ड इज अपीयरेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल फिजिकल, केमिकल और थेरेप्यूटिक. ठीक है, व्हिच इज अफेक्टेड. देन व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इनकॉम्पेटिबिलिटी? व्हेन एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ मिक्सिंग ऑफ टू और मोर एंटागोनिस्टिक सब्सटेंसेस व्हिच इज रिएक्ट टुगेदर, द अनडिजायरेबल प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म्ड which affect the safety, efficacy and appearance of pharmaceutical preparation. It is termed as incompatibility. Second, we have to see the interaction. What is the interaction? In which incompatibility, the interaction occurs between the one drug can interact with the other drug. This is the interaction. And why this interaction occurs? Because of the drug contains the different additives or adjuvants which are added during the preparation of pharmaceutical product. The first reason, additives or adjuvants, and the second reason, dosage error between the two drugs. It means when the prescriber is prescribe the different doses of drug to the same patient and which does not write the proper dose of the drug, then one drug can interact with the other drug and it causes the dosage error. This is the interaction. Then next we have to see what is the occurrence, यानी ये कहाँ से भी आ रहे हैं. First, during the preparation, various steps are involved in the manufacturing the dose of drug or manufacturing the drugs or different pharmaceutical forms, starting from its raw materials up to the finished product. In these various steps, for the preparation of pharmaceutical product, the various steps are occurs. For example, various stages. For example, first is formulation. Formulation means to prepare the formula and prepare the product. During formulation, then second occurrence during the manufacturing. Manufacturing of drug with the different machineries. Then third, during the packaging. After finished product, the packaging of pharmaceutical according to their pharmaceutical directions. And last is administration. Administration means control over these stages or control over these formulations. So this is the occurrence of incompatibility during the manufacturing of the drug. Then next we have to see what is the role of pharmacist in present scenario. In present scenario, the pharmacist hardly notice the incompatibility. Why? Because in recent days the pharmacist does not prepare and compounding and preparation of drug is not done by the pharmacist. The pharmacist only hand over the ready-made formulation or ready-made medication to the patient only. Therefore, the pharmacist hardly notice the incompatibility. Then what is the possibility when it is seen the incompatibility? First, when the prescriber prescribes the drug by its proprietary name, means by its trade name. Then while diluting the drug, it's seen while mixing one drug with the other drug, means mixing together. And third, while store in undesirable compound. Store in undesirable compound or not stored properly. Then these possibilities for the pharmacist. We have to see the incompatibilities. Then next we have to see the types of incompatibilities. There are three types of incompatibility. The first is physical, second is chemical, and third is therapeutic. Then first, what is physical incompatibility? It contains a physical change which is seen by the naked eyes. And what is the reasons? The first reason is immiscibility of the drug. Then second is insolubility, third is precipitation, and fourth is liquefaction. In next lecture we have to see the thorough about the physical, chemical and therapeutic. For example, first reason is immiscibility. Simple example of oil and water which is not miscible with each other. There it causes the incompatibility between the two drugs, means oil and water. Second is chemical. Chemical means change in the reactions. For example, hydrolysis reactions, combination reactions, oxidation reduction reactions, or it is seen by effervescence, then explosions, etc. This is under the chemical incompatibility. And third is therapeutic nature. Then what is the reason? The first reason, for example, error in doses which is not prescribed properly by the prescriber. Second is the wrong doses. Then third is synergism and antagonistic activity of the drug. Then next is the drug interaction or adverse drug reactions. This is all under the therapeutic incompatibility. So these are the types of incompatibilities. The first is physical, then second is chemical, and third is the therapeutic. And one reason is therapeutic is contraindications also. Okay. The next is the method of correction of physical incompatibilities. How will you correct the following incompatibilities? Means their problem and their method of the correction. The first method of correction in physical incompatibility, the first is change in the order of mixing of ingredients. Means change, you have to change the order of mixing according to form a suitable dosage form. For example, in ascending order or in descending order. Means change the order of mixing of ingredients to make a proper pharmaceutical dosage form. Then second is emulsification. Emulsification in case of, for example, immiscibility, means oil and water are not mixed with each other. therefore immiscible with the addition of suitable emulsifying agent. Emulsification contains the minute globules are dispersed in the other vehicle. Addition of the suitable emulsifying agent. We have to add a suitable emulsifying agent. What is the mechanism? It reduces the interfacial tension between the two phases and makes it miscible with each other. Then third is addition of suspending agent. What is the mechanism of suspending agent? The suspending agent increase the thickness of the vehicle, because suspending agent contains a small minute particles which are either dissolved or suspend in the liquid or semi-solid vehicle, which does not dissolve it, which is suspended in the either liquid vehicle or suspended vehicle. And what is the mechanism? Which increases the thickness of the vehicle, means it remains properly distributed with the suitable vehicle. The next is change in the form of ingredient. If any form of ingredients create a problem in preparing the preparation, then we have to change the form of ingredients. For example, solid form problem creates, then it is dissolved in suitable vehicle and then add in the preparation of the product. It is called as change in the form of ingredients. And last is addition, substitution or omission. It is create in the prescription, addition of any ingredients from other, substitution from the prescription or omission. Substitution means change karna, one form can change with the other therapeutic active drug, but of therapeutically inactive substance. It is change, for example, change in the adjuvants, addition, substitution or omission, to help in compounding of the preparation. So these are 5 method of corrections of physical incompatibility. Okay, then take one revision. First, we have to see the definition of incompatibility. It means mixing of 2 or more antagonistic substances which forms undesired product which can affect the safety, efficacy and appearance of the pharmaceutical preparation. Then second, interaction means interaction between the two things, means two drugs and their adjuvants and dosage error. And third, what is the occurrence? Occurrence means during the steps of the preparation, means from starting from raw material to finished product. For different stages are formulations, manufacturing, packaging or administration, means control over the manufacturing process. And next is what is the role of pharmacist? Hardly what is the incompatibility and what is the possibility? Then first, when proprietary medicines are diluted, mixed together or stored in undesirable compounds, प्रॉपर्ली अगर उसको स्टोर नहीं किया तो फिर क्या कर सकते हैं? फार्मासिस्ट इसको इजीली डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं व्हाट इज द incompatibility in the formulation of preparation. Then next is types. The first type is physical, chemical and therapeutic. And last is what is the method of correction of physical incompatibility. First is change the order of mixing of ingredient. Second is emulsification. Third is addition of suspending agent. Fourth is changing the form of ingredients. And last, addition, substitution or omission of therapeutically it turns inactive. Inactive means adjuvants, substances to help in compounding the preparation or proper pharmaceutical dosage. Thank you.